Clinic21, we believe that health, confidence, and intimacy all are connected. We want to give the top level science-backed solution in a safe environment and homely environment. Thank you everyone for supporting us, and Clinic21 is booming. Everyone likes us and everyone giving support to us and everyone is very, very happy. In Dhaka, everybody is looking for a safe environment, safe house, and a world-class, top-notch, high-end clinic for sexual medicine and aesthetic gynecology. Clinic21 is that type. We have all the state-of-art facilities, like we have a very good counseling team. All you know, we introduced P-Shot back in 2013 and it's very much popular throughout the country. Now we introduce the toxin and the PRP for the sexual health, which is called Growtalk. Growtalk is very popular now. And next is our Emsella chair. It's electromagnetic force, very, very helpful for the pelvic floor muscle activity and support of the pelvic floor muscle, which actually gives you the prolonged and sustainable and the good quality erections. Next one is the Morenova, which one is the shockwave therapy, which increases the blood flow over the penis and the vagina. So erection will be intense and you will have the maximum pleasure. Last not the least is the sex hormone replacement therapy, which actually balance the testosterone, estrogen and the other hormones related to the sexual health. Thank you.